Okay, what's up guys? Here we are again with another Sofirn flashlight review.
Excellent.
This is the SP10A mini flashlight with keychain. It's a good EDC flashlight, is what I've been told. Everyday carry. Here we are. Instructions in there. And from what I could read, it has the same features as the SP32A version 2.0 settings on it. Seems like it's pretty much the same settings on the switch, which is definitely, I think that's good settings, how they did that. We get it out of there. That is tight. Okay. And we have the extra O-rings, and it looks like we have the keychain, the lanyard, do not eat, to prevent the moistness from happening. Got a customer service card. See what we got in here. Okay, we need to provide our own battery. Okay, I just happen to have some Sofirn rechargeable batteries here. Okay, you could put a regular AA in there, or you could put a 14500 battery in there, what have you. And then we have the O-ring in here. Pretty nicely machined. Okay, let's take a look at these accessories. We'll just take a look at that keychain thingy. Okay, we got the lanyard. It's a pretty big lanyard. I don't know, it's kind of a big lanyard for such a small flashlight. But you probably don't need that. Probably most likely you're going to put the keychain thing on there, which would look something like that. Connect it to some keys. And we got a couple extra O-rings to stop the moistness.
Excellent.
Okay, let's turn it on. Let's just cycle through it. Okay, that is eco mode, which is a half lumen, is what they say. Next level is low, 5 lumens. Next level is medium, 30 lumens. And high mode, next level is high, which is 80 lumens. And then you double click to go into turbo mode, which is 550 lumens. Double click. And that's 550 lumens. And triple tap for strobe mode. I'll spare you that. Got one. You got it. Crap. See if he just lives. He just lives to hunt. The trail of the hunt. Whoa.
Brutality. Flawless.